Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to create tables in LibreOffice Writer. Okay, now I will create new document. Now if you want to create tables, you can click at the starter menu, like I will create for 6 column and 4 rows to be automatically attached into your document. Now how to edit these tables, like you can combine between these two columns. You can right click and use merge cell tools to combine, or also can combine between these two rows. Right click and merge cells. To go back, you also can use split tools. You can select in it, right click and use split cells. Like for horizontal, set into 2, click OK. So to be automatically create 4 cells. You also can create again in it. You can select, right click, split, and I will set into vertical 2, click OK. Okay, now the next, how to set for columns and row size, like I will click at these options, columns, right click, and you can click use size tools. In there you can set for row height, like I will set into 10. Okay, it will be changed to 10. For columns, you can right click, go to size and click column width. I will set in there into 40, click OK. It will be changed to 40 for the size. Okay, the next for text, you can create in there, like I will set into example. And now to set into center point, you can click this icon, aligns to center. And to center into these columns, you can use these tools to be moved into center point. So like I will set size in here for rows into 20, and you can type example. We'll set into center points and use these tools to move into center of this column, like this. To delete rows and columns, you can select, I will select in here, right click in a delete tools, and you can delete rows or columns. I will delete columns, it will be automatically delete. So for rows, I will click in here, right click, delete, and use delete rows. Okay, that's it, how to make tables in LibreOffice Writer. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.